NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Navitas Semiconductor stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. As the only guy in this space with an actual track record and 5 years of experience, 43,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I have all documented right. You can check it all on my YouTube channel, especially with NVTS. I'm just hoping I see some sort of like a cool double break so I can take it further up. Well, mate, look, like it. At the time, it was like 491 when I called it out and got like plus 4R, like around $5. Took it to 7.5. That's a 50% increase a month ago. This is like beginning of June, so then now a lot of stuff has changed. Sense that we came into the demand zone and I'm looking for a very similar thing. I just must see the double break met yet again like before. And if it's not met, then I'm not gonna buy. People really overcomplicate this sort of stuff. I'll stick to my edge that I've refined over 43,000 videos, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free, to stay tuned and get free market picks.